What if, tomorrow morning, the sun never rose? Imagine stepping outside and finding complete darkness, with the entire planet in shock. But here's the real question. What would happen to Earth if the sun disappeared for just 24 hours? And stay tuned, because I'll also tell you about a strange experiment scientists once imagined, and the results will blow your mind. The sun isn't just a ball of fire, it's the reason life exists on Earth. It gives us light, warmth, and controls our climate. Without it, our planet would be nothing but a frozen rock floating in space. But what if the sun vanished for just one single day? Within seconds of the sun disappearing, Earth would be plunged into complete darkness. Cities would switch on artificial lights, but the shock of an endless night would spread panic worldwide. Temperatures wouldn't drop instantly, because Earth's atmosphere would still hold heat. But fear and confusion would spread faster than the cold. Airplanes, satellites, and even animals that rely on sunlight for direction would suddenly be lost. After 6 hours, people would realize this isn't just a long night, it's something much bigger. Solar power plants would stop producing electricity, affecting millions of homes. Plants would begin to struggle without sunlight for photosynthesis, and nocturnal animals would act confused because even the moon and stars would look different without the sun's glow. By 12 hours, Earth's temperature would start to drop rapidly. Some regions would feel like a sudden winter storm, while tropical areas would become strangely cold. Humans would still survive indoors using artificial heating, but the psychological effect of no sunrise would cause chaos. Many people would start believing it's the end of the world. After one full day of no sun, the Earth would be about 15 to 20 degrees colder on average. Crops and ecosystems would begin to collapse, especially in colder regions. Some scientists believe that if the sun ever disappeared permanently, oceans would freeze solid in just a few weeks, and Earth would become completely uninhabitable. But since we are imagining only 24 hours, the planet would barely survive, though billions of people would experience panic, economic collapse, and food shortages. Here's something crazy. A group of researchers once simulated what would happen if sunlight was blocked for days. They found that human sleep cycles were destroyed, plants began dying, and entire cities fell into chaos. Imagine that happening on a global scale for just one day. So, after 24 hours, the sun suddenly reappears. Humanity would cheer, but the scars of that one endless night would remain forever. But now here's the real mind-bender. What if the sun didn't just disappear for 24 hours, but forever? Could we find another way to survive, or would Earth instantly turn into a frozen wasteland drifting in space?